And this is yet another puzzle maker offered by discoveryeducation.com, where you have a couple of type to select. So as a matter of example, I pick word search puzzle and show how to do. First, put in the title, and here I set it with 15 letters across and 15 letters down, and all we have to do is enter all the words here. So one time copy, one time paste, and check this box if you want instruction to appear below the puzzle. Yes, of course. And all you have to do is click on create my puzzle, and here is the puzzle that is ready for you. You have options of to show the answers. You can get them printed. You can copy the puzzle and bring it over to your word editor. You can copy the answers and have it somewhere else. But the downside of this puzzle maker is that you create them online and use them printed. You can't play online. You can't play online as for now. But the advantage to me is that, you know, when you copy the puzzle, you use it somewhere else without giving the words. So there are times that we have to do that. Thank you.